Hello guys, we're here in a very big forest. At this time it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and I am with our Dr. Jojo, the environmentalist. Doctor? Yeah. And Sir I, the... Okay, we just grabbed this fish, guys, in the river with bare hands. You believe that? Guys, you saw that? Gahi na kayo na eh. Our environmentalist, guys. See? He's inserting the nylon inside the mouth. Inside the mouth. Yeah, guys, it's very dangerous here, guys. We saw dragons, but we let them fly. Okay, we just got frogs. The anaconda, guys, will they just hide here somewhere in this place. Okay, thank you for watching. Kablam.